Hi guys, Paul,
And Ryan.
PA Outdoors couple. We are here outside of Clarion, Pennsylvania, and we're going to look for the train tunnel and bridge. And we're up here above the road. We walked up to the left side of the road, or whatever you want to call it, to a path, and we just, in the back of us, found
We did find out. Yeah.
that.
Okay.
So now the finding is done. Sorry,
It was really quick.
the exploring will begin now.
Yes.
Let's do it. And we're walking to the trestle. It's just not even, what, 60, 70 years ago, trains would just right through here. Crazy how it doesn't take that long for big changes to happen. Ah, here's the trestle. And it doesn't look as bad as all that.
Hi. Thanks.
Okay. The tress of old.
Oh my God.
Old boys.
Oh. Say
Hell.
what?
Is it one of those hells to the gnaw? Might be. This wood's squishy.
That's reassuring. Oh my God.
Squishy wood. Alright, so the trestle. Hello. And then you can see the tunnel in the distance. Now, this is the trestle. I mean, you can take your time and walk where you know where the metal is. But yeah, if you don't like heights and stuff, this is a good angle of it, so you can really see it. You can walk all the way over there. I think there's a gate or a fence on the other side. But you could actually walk this metal part all the way out too. At least to the center there. Yeah, it's interesting. Oh, hi Ryan.
Hi.
She's out with me. And then you could walk that big metal section too. Out that way. I might do that. Less squishy. Let's see if I can get to the other side. We're tiptoeing out onto the trestle. Giving a little of a go, you know. She's doing a great job by coming out at all, so I mean. Yeah, right? Yeah, you don't have to do it, honey. And then you can see the trestle down through here. Kind of waterfall or something going on down there. There's that side. Okay, and then you can see down through the trestle, old wooden beams and stuff with the metal. Oh, that's a tree that fell over on the metal. Interesting. Yep. Cool stuff. Here's that little path that we found. It might go to the base of the trestle. Little steps. Little steps, little steps. Cool. It's not that hard walking either. That's good. Just little steps. Ground's a little wet. Alright, there's some of that trestle. You can see it through the... Takes you underneath it a bit. Awesome. Oh wow. They climbed up there to get this. These guys. There's the falling water, I heard. Wow. The local hangout spot. Okay guys, look at that. Huh?
We climbed down the hill. We're kind of semi
Semi,
under the
yeah.
trestle. I mean,
Right.
it's a long way down.
Yeah.
And there is some kind of water down there.
Yeah, there's a lot of, and this is very wet from all the water, but look at that. Awesome stuff.
We're going to say our goodbyes for the trestle from here.
This has been Paul,
And Ryan,
PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers.
get outdoors.
Ooh.